Welcome to TerraWorks Living. Today, we'll show you how to grow healthy, organic tomatoes in your backyard using only natural methods. Whether you start from seed or use seedlings, we'll walk through every step, from soil preparation to harvesting. Let's get started. If you're starting in early spring, around late March to early April, you can begin from seed. Choose heirloom or organic seeds suitable for your climate. Sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost in small containers with light, moist seed starting mix. Keep them in a warm, sunny spot and water gently. Once seedlings are 4 to 6 weeks old, harden them off by placing them outside for a few hours each day, increasing exposure over 5 to 7 days. Then they'll be ready for transplanting. If you're starting later or prefer a faster harvest, choose strong and healthy seedlings. Choose a sunny location and create a 1 meter wide garden bed. Line the base with cardboard to block weeds, then add compost, shredded paper, dried leaves, and vegetable scraps. Mix in garden soil and let it rest for 1 to 2 weeks, watering lightly to support decomposition. Plant seedlings deep, burying part of the stem to encourage strong root growth. Space each plant 40 to 50 centimeters apart. Water thoroughly after transplanting. Water in the morning to reduce disease risk. Use drip irrigation or water gently at the base, avoiding the leaves. Let the topsoil dry slightly between waterings. After watering, apply mulch around the base of the plants. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate temperature. Use organic materials like straw, dried leaves, wood chips, or shredded newspaper. Apply it in a 5 to 7 centimeter thick layer, but keep it a few centimeters away from the stem to prevent rot. Feed your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with compost tea, diluted worm leachate, or well-rotted manure. These natural fertilizers improve fruit development without chemical buildup. Remove side shoot suckers to direct energy into fruit production. Support your plants with wooden stakes, tomato cages, or trellises made from bamboo or string. Spray neem oil weekly, or use garlic pepper spray every 3 days. Companion planting with basil, mint, or marigold helps repel pests. Check your plants often and remove pests by hand when needed. Harvest when tomatoes are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Pick them in the morning by twisting gently or using scissors. Do not refrigerate fresh tomatoes. Store them at room temperature in a shaded area. Consume within a few days. Surplus tomatoes can be dried, fermented, or turned into paste or sauce. That's how you grow tomatoes naturally, from seed to harvest with no chemicals. In our next video, we'll show you how to preserve your tomatoes for winter. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and tell us your favorite tomato recipe in the comments.